You see him, Sammy?
Jen is filming the train.
There's an Amtrak train. So I got the other one, that local one, and that's Amtrak. I'm thinking. Could be wrong. Good morning. It's travel day. All the pups are already in. Deborah's in. We're going to the casino for one last raha. No, not really. We're going to the casino to eat. We're meeting, I don't know if she watches my channel or not, but one of Deborah's viewers. And we're going to have lunch. She lives in this area. So we're going to go have lunch with her before we get on the road. And then we're getting on the road. And we don't know for how long.
We don't know what we're going to get into.
Yeah. We talked about chopping up this trip and staying somewhere tonight. So we'll see if that happens.
Chopping broccoli.
Chopping broccoli. If not, we will be home today. But anyway, it has been a wonderful stay here at the Isleta RV and Casino. We've enjoyed the fun, the fishing, the casino, and the food. Yeah. So I wonder what I'm going to eat today. I think we're going to the same place we went yesterday, right?
We are.
Okay. So I might eat something different, or maybe not. We'll see. So I know the difference. These are geese. They're not a blue heron like I saw in yesterday's video. I couldn't see it. I didn't have my glasses on. But. And that fountain, I wish I'd have gotten it last night because it's lit up at dark. Anyway, we're out of here. It was a fun time. Enchiladas. I'm here at Captain and going to the grocery store, see if there's anything I want to snack on for the evening. Because we're staying the night. So we only drove about 2.5 hours today on our way home. And we're stopped here at Rob Jagger's for an overnighter. It's always fun to see the horses. Can you see the horses? Let's see if you can see the horses. Right there. Yeah. So some of y'all might remember, or if you're new here, I used to be a park host here back in, I did it twice, 2 separate times. I think the first year was in 2018 and then in 2019. It's changed a lot because this is BLM land, and there used to only be 9 hookups here, just water and electric. You had to share to make the 9. But now, I don't know, about 5 years ago maybe, they put in electric. They've always had the corrals, but they put in water and electric and made improved sites. And some of them have corrals and some of them don't. So you used to could stay for $5 a day. Now it's $25 a day. For electric, if you want a corral, it's $30 a day. Of course, if you have the America the Beautiful Pass, that's half price. So just remember that when you're staying at places like this. So this is our campsite. I got one of the outer campsites. I spoke with Park Host here and asked him if we could stay at one of the corrals since I don't have a horse. And he asked me how long I was staying because hunting season starts tomorrow. So yeah, it gets crowded when it's hunting season. And so we're only staying one night. So he said, yeah, he didn't expect anybody to come in tonight with horses. So I get to look at my favorite view. Yeah. And right down there, there's a river, creek, river. But I got where I was walking down there every day, trying to walk down there every day and spend a little alone time by the creek. Yeah, it's one of my favorite times at this place, was being able to sit down there around the water. But always beautiful here. That's the Capitan Mountains. Beautiful place. Yep. All right, so I've not ever been up here. I don't know if this is the new group pavilion here at Rob Jagger's. But anyway, I've seen it. I've just never have walked up here. So, oh look, a little path to the vault toilet. That's nice. Oh wow, they've got a campfire. Nice. Yeah, this is nice. Cooking, campfire area. Boy, it's quiet too. Electricity, trash. Nice.
And it overlooks the mountains.
Yeah, overlooks that mountain. The Capitan Mountains. That's a huge fire pit. Very cool.
With cooking.
Huh?
With cooking capability.
Yeah. With cooking capability. Very cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hadn't been up here. I've seen it as I drove by, but I've not come over here and looked at it. Very cool. So at the end of this video, I will leave a link up here somewhere of the playlist of the whole time I was here in Lincoln County. There's a fort down the road that is really interested, and we're in Lincoln County. And if you're familiar with Billy the Kid and Lincoln County Wars, Lincoln's just down the road. So there's all those videos in that playlist. So I'll include this one in there too. So you'll see the moon right in the center. There's just a sliver. We're sitting here thinking that the moon is going down. Is that possible? It's only like 7 o'clock at night. But we thought, you see the clouds above it? That they were up there. It was definitely higher than that mountain ridge. I don't get this. What the heck is going on?
It's already lower than it was
Yeah.
when you started taping.
I'm gonna hold it here for a minute. I might. It's sitting down on that mountain now.
Yeah, it's going down.
How is that possible? Has it been up in the sky all day long? Well, that's the weirdest thing I've ever seen. The moon is going down. It's sitting on that mountain now.
And it was above those clouds.
Gosh. All right, y'all, tell us what's going on, because I've never seen the moon go down at 7 p.m. at night. I always see the moon rise, and look, it's already in 1 minute and 25 seconds. It's about to disappear. That's crazy. So much for the seeing the moon tonight. We saw it. it's going away. That's just freaking me out. Alright, there's only a tip left. What's going on? Put in the comments below. Good night, moon.